Hi everyone! I finally was able to get in there and learn laser cutting with Ron, and it was really fun. My first shape that I made, this sort of tent that some of you have seen, maybe, I was finally able to make it. I don't know if you can see this. I'll show you the picture. This is really a terrible example, sorry. Okay. And there was one main problem that I was having, and I want to show you in case you come across the same thing. So this was my original sort of tent design, called Bad Tent because it's not perfect. And when I unrolled the surface, I had a really hard time figuring out what was what on here, and spent about an hour and a half in frustration before I just took a break and took 15 minutes to think about what was going on. So what ended up happening was like, well, why don't I try labeling it? So I came here and I was like, okay, these are the labeling points. This is not how I expected it to unfold. So that was the first mystery. So I said, well, here's 3 and 1 here. Here's 3 and 1 here. Why don't I rotate this so they're at least in the same place? So I selected this surface, select objects to rotate. This. Select, okay, enter. Center of rotation is going to be here. Angle of reference there. Okay, I'm going to spin this around. And there we go, that looks about right. Okay, so I'm like, wait a minute, those are flipped. So then I was like, oh no, direction. So, this is where the mystery was solved. If we go to perspective, you can see that these arrows inside the tent are all pointing down, and once I realized that, I was like, oh my gosh, let's look at this one. These arrows are all pointing up. So once I realized that and flipped my whole piece over, I was able to fairly quickly make this horrible tent, which kind of looks like the picture. I think I'm going to make it a lot bigger next time, and also I learned that I should make bigger tab. Oh, I can't really. I barely had enough tab there to staple that together, so I'm going to definitely make my tabs bigger next time. Anyways, hope you enjoy this super boring video. Have a good day. Bye.